Do you know your shoes might be already made with air?
Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome to our channel. I'm Sylvia from AP Plasma Corporation. We provide an advanced air aurora automation machine. What is air aurora? It's a technology using air to treat material surface. Combine air aurora technology with AI and robotic arms. This makes shoe quality amazing and best. Your shoes will never come apart. The top 3 global shoemakers already applied our technology to mass production. Because of our technology only use of clean air, no more chemicals. It is a green technology. Let Air Aurora lead you to a cleaner future.